Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Ubaid Azad from class 2 STEM. I am standing here to present about today's author, and today's author is Anita Nair. Anita Nair, born 26 January 1966, is an Indian novelist. She writes her book in English. She is best known for her novel, A Better Man, Stress and Lessons in Forgetting. Next, I would like to call my friend Hamza Rehan. She has also written poetry, short stories, crime fiction, historical fiction, romance, and children's literature, including Moizza and Bibijan stories from the Quran. Next, I would like to call my classmate Nair. Anita Nair was born in Shornur in Plaskar district of Kerala. She was educated in Chennai before returning to Kerala, where she gained a BA in English language and literature. Next, I would like to call my classmate Umama Nasir. Thanks. Anita Nair's second book was published by Penguin India and was the first book by an Indian author to be published by Picado, USA. Next, I would like to call my friend Zaman Noori. In 2002, Ladies' Book was selected as one of the 5 best in India. The novel is about women's conditions in a male-dominated society, told with great insight, solidarity and humor. Next, I would like to call my friend Usman Ghani. Anita Nair's novels The Better Man, Ladies and Food, translated into 21 languages. She has also written the Puffin book on myths and legends. 2004, a children's book on myths and legends. Next, I would like to call my friend Abu Bakr Ahmad. Anita Nair got many awards. Some of them are 2012 Kerala Sahitya Academy Award for her contribution to literature and culture. In 2014, the Hindu Literary Prize shortlist for Idris Keeper of the Light. In 2017, Crossword Book Award Jury Award Children's Category Mirza and Baby Girl. In 2020, UNHCR appointment as a high-profile supporter. Next, I would like to call my friend Eamon Fatima.